Winkit is a modern innovation by Irrigacio that simplifies irrigation for farmers. It is compact, lightweight, and very easy to install. Winkit can be easily expanded or reduced as needed and can also be dismantled easily after irrigation. Its biggest advantage is its flexibility, which allows it to be adjusted up or down based on the height of the crops. A single setup can effectively irrigate an area of about 980 square meters, making it ideal for small to medium-sized farms. If the farm is larger, you can easily extend the system by adding more sprinklers and accessories. The lightweight and portable design of Winkit makes it easy to move from one place to another, saving both time and effort. It also comes with a patented pressure-boosting riser, which helps increase water pressure to ensure equal water distribution to each plant, improving both the quality and yield of the crop. In the Winkit kit, we give you 60 meters of strong Irriflex pipe, 7 base adapter, 14 Irriflex plane adapters, 21 sprinkler risers, 7 sprinklers, 16 SS clamps for flexi pipe, 1 Irriflex pump connector, and 1 Irriflex end cap. All fittings are designed using our registered designs, ensuring durability and reliability. Every part of Winkit is of high quality to provide a long-lasting, hassle-free irrigation solution. For more information, visit our website or WhatsApp your details on given number.